I have this thing in which I'm going to be looking at, which is a 10X Telephoto lens kit for your camera. So this will be kind of interesting because, as you can tell, most cameras have multiple cameras on the back of them and they do different things. I'm going to take my cover off because I want to make sure this actually fits on it correctly. As you can see, there is a telephoto lens, and looks like that actually zooms in and out. It says 1 to infinity, and then on this side it has another cap to keep dust and stuff out, so very important to keep those. And then you have different styles of rubber eye cups and different size adapter rings for different things. And this is basically how you're going to connect it to the phone. Basically, you can bring that in and out to basically find the right section. So that folds down like that, and then this is going to twist onto the end of this. This thing slides up and down so you can put it on the correct one you want. So I'm going to go into my camera, and you can see that's how it looks right there. But I'm going to try to put this down over top of, and what's going to have to happen is you're going to have to figure out which lens you're going to need to use. And you can actually do that by using your finger. So it's not that one, it's going to be this one, not that one. So I have to do the center one, and I think these are cups here. I don't know if I need that or not. Anyways, I'm going to try to center this onto the camera and get it lined up. And that's going to be the hardest part, is getting it lined up. All right, there we go. All right, so let me see if I can zoom this in and out. Holy heck, look at my screen. Oh, that's so close. Yes, there it is. So I'm actually looking at my speaker over there, and I'm zoomed in that much. Let me try. You can zoom in with the camera too, to even zoom closer. There, it switched back to the other one. So that's kind of crazy. You don't need to be zoomed in that much. But if you have this on a tripod and you set it up, it won't be so shaky. It's just because I'm old. But that works pretty slick. So if you really want to get shots from far away, you can do it. And now what's nice about this is an optical zoom. This is not a digital zoom. So you do not lose pixels whenever you use one of these. So in the correct situation, that's pretty impressive. If you want to do outdoor photography or something like that, you could definitely use this. That could be really fun. You're a bird watcher or something like that, and you want to get photos with your camera. But yeah, we have people who watch trains and stuff like that. I usually have them set up on a tripod, so you could definitely do that. So anything like that. Sports, you want to set it up on a tripod and have it pointed to home base at a baseball game. There you go. Feel like you're sitting right there watching it. And this can be used on anything that has a camera on it. So if you have a tablet or something like that, you could even do that, and then you could have a big screen of it. So pretty neat. It works. The zoom part of it is very smooth. Even whenever it was on my phone, it didn't want to come off because of how smooth it was. Very cool. So if that's something you're looking for, check it out.